Hello students, today we'll discuss how we can convert given decimal number into equivalent binary number. So we'll start. What is meant by decimal number system? Decimal number system is a system in which base or radix of the system is 10. That means we can use 10 symbols or 10 digits. Which are these 10 digits? 0 to 9. The position of every digit has a weight which is the power of 10. That is, the weights of digit position of the decimal number are shown in the table here. The star is nothing but the decimal point. So, if the given decimal number is a integer part, we can calculate the position as 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, etc. And if it is a fraction part, we can write or we can calculate the positional value 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to minus 3, etc. Now we'll see how we can convert decimal to binary conversion. The more popular way to convert the given decimal number into equivalent binary number is we can use double method. In this method, the given decimal number is progressively divided by 2 and writing the remainder after each division. The remainders taken in reverse order to get the equivalent binary number. To understand this, we'll consider one example. Here, the decimal number 9 is given and we have to convert this 9 into equivalent binary number. Okay. So here, we have to divide 9 by 2. So 2 is nothing but division, 9 is nothing but dividend. We have to write quotient and remainder. Okay. So let's start how we can calculate given equivalent binary number for the given number 9. So if I will divide 9 by 2, the quotient is 4 because 2 4s are 8. So we have to write 4 as a quotient, the remainder is 1. In the next step, if we will divide 4 by 2, so 2 into 2 is 4. So the quotient is 2, remainder is 0. In the next step, if we will divide 2 by 2, the quotient is 1, the remainder is 0. And in this step is very important as this 1 is less than 2. So 1 is not divisible by 2. So we have to write 0 here. And this 1 is transferred as it is in the remainder. Now we have to write the equivalent binary number of the given decimal number 9 is, we have to write down the remainder in reverse direction. So what is the answer? 1001. Note this here, we have to write down the remainder in reverse direction. So the answer is 1001 to the base 2. Now we'll discuss if the given decimal number is a fraction number, how we can convert this fraction number into equivalent binary number. For this, the fraction part is multiplied by 2. Why 2? Because the base of the system is 2. The number in which we have to convert the given number, the base or radix is 2. That's why we have to multiply it by 2. And record the carry in the integer part. The carry taken in the forward order are the binary fractions. To understand this, consider one example. The given fraction decimal number is 0.625. Okay. So we have to convert this into equivalent binary number. So multiply it by 2. If we will multiply 0.625 into 2, the answer will come 1.25. So consider this 1 as a carry and now 0.25, this is a fractional part, multiplied by 2. We have to repeat the procedure till we will get the fractional part is 0. So if we will multiply 0.25 into 2, the multiplication will come 0.5. So this integer part will transfer as a carry and the fractional part 0.5 we have to multiply it by again 2. Okay, so 0.5 into 2, the multiplication will come 1.00. Say, consider this integer part as a carry, and this time we have to stop here because the fractional part is 0. Now we'll see how we can write the equivalent binary number for the given fractional decimal number. We have to write the carry in forward direction. So the equivalent binary number is 0.101 to the base 2. To understand this concept more clearly, we will solve some more example how we can convert given decimal number into binary number system.
Hello students, today we'll discuss how we can convert given decimal number into equivalent binary number. As we know that in the decimal number system, the base of the system is 10, and in binary number system, the base of the system is 2. To convert decimal number into equivalent binary number, we have to use double method. What is this double method? We have to divide given decimal number by 2. Why 2? Because in binary number system, the base of the system is 2. So let us solve an example. So the first example is we have taken 23 to the base 10. We have to convert this 23 into binary number. So let us solve this. 23 is the given decimal number. So we are going to divide this 23 by 2. Where 2 is nothing but divisor, 23 is nothing but dividend. We are going to write quotient and remainder here. We are going to write remainder here. So let us divide this 23 by 2. So if we will divide this 23 by 2, the quotient will come 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So the remainder is 1. If we will again divide this 11 by 2, so the quotient is 5 and remainder is 1. If we will again divide this 5 by 2, so the quotient is 2 and remainder is 1. Again if we will divide this 2 by 2, the quotient is 1, remainder is 0. Now this step is very important. If we will divide this 1 by 2, as 1 is not divisible by 2, so we are going to write 0 here, and this 1 we are going to transfer here. Okay. Now we are going to write the equivalent binary number. How we can write? We have to consider this remainder in the reverse direction. So the answer is 23 to the base 10 equals to 10111 to the base 2. How we have calculated this? We are going to consider this remainder in the reverse direction. Okay. Now let us consider second example. The second example is we are going to convert 42 into equivalent binary number. Okay. So again same we have to use double method. So divide 42 by 2. To divide 42 by 2, write down the quotient. The quotient is here 21 and the remainder is 0. This is a remainder. Again if we will divide this 21 by 2, the quotient is 10 and the remainder is 1. If we will divide this 10 by 2, so the quotient is 5 and the remainder is 0. If we will divide this 5 by 2, the quotient is 2 and remainder is 1. If we will divide this 2 by 2, the quotient is 1, remainder is 0. And now if we will divide this 1 by 2, it is not divisible by 2, so we will write 0 here. This 1 is transferred here. So now consider the remainder in reverse direction. So our equivalent answer is 1 0 1 0 1 0. 1 0 1 0 1 0 to the base 2. Okay, this is the equivalent binary number of the given number 42 to the base 10. Now we'll again consider one example. Now we are going to consider fraction number also. So we are going to consider the example 9.625 to the base 10, and we are going to convert this into equivalent binary number. Okay, so first convert this decimal number 9 into binary number. How we can convert? Just divide this 9 by 2. Write down remainder here. Okay, so divide this 9 by 2. The quotient is 4, remainder is 1. Again divide this 4 by 2. The quotient is 2, remainder is 0. If we'll again divide 2 by 2, so the quotient is 1, remainder is 0. As this 1 is not divisible by 2, so we'll write 0 here. This one will transfer here. So consider this remainder in the reverse direction. So what is the answer? The answer is 1 0 0 1 to the base 2. This is one part. We have converted this 9 into equivalent binary number. Now we will consider this 0.625 to the base 10. We have to convert this into equivalent binary number. How we can convert this? As we have already discussed, for fractional part, we have to multiply it by 2. Why we have to multiply it by 2? Because the base of the system is 2. And record the carry in the integer position. We have to record the carry. Partial part is again multiplied by 2 till the fractional part becomes 0. And then we have to take the carry in forward direction. Okay, so let us start. 0.625 into 2. The multiplication comes 1.25. What we have to do? We have to forward, or we have to take the integer part as a carry. So we have considered 1 here. Now the fractional part is 0.25. Again multiplied by 2. What is the answer? 0.5. So this 0 is considered as a carry. So forward here. 0.5 into 2. Now the answer is multiplication is 1.00. Right? So this one is as a carry. Now this time we have to consider this carry. This is nothing but our carry. Carry in forward direction. Okay? In previous case we have considered the remainder in reverse direction, but here we have to consider carry in forward direction. So what is the answer? 0.101. Okay, to the base 2. Now this is our answer for the fractional part 0.625. So what is the total answer for 9.625 to the base 10 equals to 1001 point. This 101 is for 9, and now it is 101. This is for 0.625. This is our required answer, that is equivalent binary number for the given decimal number. Thank you.